All right, so you're there in Davos. I know you're sure there's a lot of conversations, a lot of companies that you have there on the platform, like an Anthropic and other names there at Davos. What are you hearing there when it comes to private companies?
It's a big theme. Everybody here is talking about the growth of AI, and you can't talk about that without recognizing that 19 of the largest AI companies are still private.
All right. I know you have a report. We're going to get to some of those numbers in just a minute. But in general, I'm sure you're there talking to some different founders and also investors. Do you still see some of the incredible funding that we've seen go into the private market continuing in 2026 based on the conversations you're having there in Davos?
Yeah, we don't see anything slowing down at this point. The underlying performance of many of these companies that did really well in 25 is continuing. So there's a lot of conversation and optimism about it here today.
All right, so you gave us one of your reports, your AI basket for Forge Global, which includes a lot of names that everybody knows, OpenAI, Anthropic, Databricks, et cetera, saw 191% growth in 2025, followed by aerospace and defense. So does that dynamic continue in 2026? Does the money continue to go to AI stocks? Should you see a broadening out, maybe similar to what we're seeing in the public markets, but a broadening out in the private markets as well?
I think what's interesting to observe, those numbers are eye-popping, I know, but non-AI companies did 40% in 2025. So I think people's view on this should include a diversification strategy. Obviously, AI is leading the market both in terms of returns and in capital raise. But yeah, we're looking at a really exciting 2026 as well.
So Kelly, illuminate us a bit. What are the non-AI companies? Because you broke out aerospace, you broke out defense. When we're talking about that growth of non-AI companies, what exactly are you talking about industry-wise?
Well, it's almost everything else. It's enterprise software, it's industrials, it's anything that has not got AI as a central theme or is not part of what we've seen in the last year or two, which I think people should be really excited about too, which is aerospace and defense has been really killing it the last couple of years with Anduril and SpaceX and others. So there's a lot of talk about that here, particularly given this is an international crowd in Davos. So a lot of conversation about aerospace and defense as well.